guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and trying on this wig that I accidentally received in the mail for free. Who am I to block my blessings? So if you guys are interested in seeing me try this unit on, keep on watching. This is the unit. It's the Outre 360 frontal lace wig. It's got 13 by 6 inch hand-tied lace frontals. It has the edges. It has transparent lace. Baby hair is included. So the color I have is the DR4 Golden Honey Blonde, and the style is a Velora. So this is the color here on the model. And it looks pretty. Like, it looks like you can mix up. Like, she got a little braid here. She got it down. Like, it looks like you can really mix up the style. So we're gonna see. This hair is not on my radar at all. I don't remember anybody talking about this. Like, I literally did not order this unit. It just came in the packaging. So I'm grateful. And you know, like, now look at me in this opportunity. We're gonna try this joint on. So let's first take her out the packaging. I love the color. Color is never really a big deal for me. As long as it's done like right, done well, I don't really care too much about color. I think I do prefer blacks, darker colors, although I love a ginger. And a good blonde is cute, but we will see. So this is it. The color is pretty. The texture of it is definitely giving a more of a yaki texture. It's thicker, so I like that. We're gonna have to brush these curls out, of course. We flip this around so you guys can see the, oh, we got a gray here. I'm just gonna flip it upside down so you guys can see the cap construction. So it really is a I can't believe they accidentally sent me a 360 lace wig. Like, what was the price? B for real. It is a human hair blend though, so it wasn't the price of like a full 360 human hair, but still. So we've got the lace here at the back. We've got the comb here at the back, as well as the adjustable straps. Gotta have that. And then we've got comb here on the side, and then another comb here at the side. So always get your 2 combs. And then for the front, of course, they got the 13 by 6 inch parting space here, and then is lace front. And then of course, you do have the baby hair. So they said it's transparent lace. I don't have, I have a lace tint, but I don't have one with me. But I mean, I think that looks pretty good. Like, this is the lace on my skin. I feel like that looks pretty good, provided that I lay it down flat. I think that looks pretty good. She's cute. I think I like the texture. I like that it's not like incredibly shiny, and it's just more natural, thicker texture. Like, and that's lately honestly what I've been going with my wigs. So we like this a lot. Okay, yes, it looks crazy because I actually put it on over my scarf. The camera was off and I was just in here being silly. So you can't get a full feel for it, but I slapped it on real quick. It looks like it's gonna be big, voluptuous, like Hollywood curls. And I'm here for that because I've never done a style like that before. Also, let's do blonde. Like, why not? Like, I like the color. I like the hair. We're gonna brush the curls out. I like it. I mean, honestly, this is not how it's gonna look at all because it's sitting on like 3 layers of hair right now. Like, my hair is under here as a scarf, and then there's this. It's giving. I'm ready to put it on for real now, for real, because this is silly. Why can I do this? I like the bigness of it, but I do feel like it's kind of, I mean, I know it's a yucky texture, but it's kind of, for lack of a better words, kind of dry feeling. Like I've had yucky texture, but it still has some like a little sheen to it. So I'm just gonna take some more of this hair polisher, just like a little bit, and kind of run it through my hand. This kind of try to polish the hair up a little. I don't really want to change the texture and make it too shiny. I just don't want it to be so like dry and dull looking. Like I get it that it's bleach blonde, but like I don't need people to know that it's bleach blonde. You know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh. But no, yeah, I like it. I also feel like I don't do like big voluptuous curls like this. It's more of a body wave is kind of the most you'll get from me. So I like it, I like it. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more sheen. Back here. Okay, now I feel like she's giving. Now I feel like she's giving the girls. Gotta do a little. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Y'all, get into this, honey. Big voluptuous curls. Cap is comfortable, color is giving, hair is giving. Like, what? Do not talk to me, cause the way, baby. And on top of that, like if I really don't want to be bothered with the part, like, look at how Miss Side is giving. She low-key might be giving more than middle, but actually, wait, Side might be eating middle up. Hold on. I know it's a free part, and I already parted it, but not for real, because obviously it's over. All I have to do is take a little water to another Q-tip and take the part out. What do we think? I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I like it. I like it a lot. So that's the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will include all the information on this unit down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.